Hello, everybody. My name is Maria Jose Jaramillo. I'm currently on the fifth year of medical school, and I took this class because I think it's really interesting and amazing that we can actually understand why do animals behave the way they do. So I think it's an amazing opportunity to take and learn more about it. I also like a lot of neurology, so I thought this could be a different approach to what I've already learned and to apply it differently with a lot of basic sciences and a lot of things that I've learned throughout the years and to learn even more. So now, I'm going to show you my hierarchy that I made, my behavioral hierarchy with my pyramid. So I'm not going to lie to myself. Obviously, it's going to start with food. I think it should be the main component of any living thing. Even though we as humans have changed a lot of our behavior and do not need to hunt or to take any risks basically for food, I think it's my main component. Of course, then there's sleep. I think I couldn't live without sleep. It's basic so you can function normally, and it's great for all of your activities. So I think that will be my second need. Um, as my third behavioral option, I put music, books, and series because even though I think they cannot be considered a behavior themselves. But learning through them and watching them is one of my main needs. I always search for them. I look for time to do that, and I cannot live a day without even like listening to music or reading a book or watching a new series. I think I'm kind of addicted to it, so I put it on my third priority. As my fourth priority, I put social work as a behavior. I think it's one of the main components of me as a person. Um, I work with different organizations that I've been involved with for a few years now, and I think it's extremely important for me to keep doing social work in different aspects of it. Most of it on the health aspect, but I've worked also in other matters. Then my next priority would be studying. Of course, it has to be one of the priorities as a medical student. It has been lower now within these few years, but studying can be one of the main basic components. I need to do it so I can learn more. I can cure more people in the future. And also not only on medicine, but studying on all different matters that can be important to a person throughout the years. Not only related to our careers, but also to other aspects, other things that could be useful in life. And of course my base of the pyramid, and I don't want to call it last, but it's last but not least. Family and friends, spending time with them, caring for them, it's a really important component of my hierarchy. So yeah, that would be it would be nice working with you guys through this 2 months. And yeah, bye.